Hi friends, today I will share with you how to convert your speech, voice and whatever you are talking into text and to translate any language your speech into another text language. I will show you. Uh, all we need to do, just open your browser and sign in your email account or Gmail account. I am going to sign in my email account. Now I am going to sign in my email account, but this is Chrome browser. Google Chrome browser only works for this, not other browsers. Yeah, now all we need to do, just here it is the box Google Apps. Click on that, it is pop up. We can directly access this Google Docs. Click on that, it will open new page like this. Now we need to choose the blank page on this Google Doc. Click on that place to open blank page. Whatever you talk the words, automatically it is typing on this doc. Here it is the tools, as you can see here the tool. Click on that, go down, you can see here the voice typing. Click on that, it will open a smaller left side mic type. Click to speech. Now I'm going to talk and it is automatically type here the text. Hi friends, do you know how to convert speech to text by using Google Docs? I forget one thing. All we need to do, okay, I am going to stop this. When I talking over like this, I put my headset and talking over this mic. You can use this one also. Then only work. With that, press on that. Whatever you talk, everything that typing automatically. Your pronunciation should be right way. That is way to correctly typing the automatical intelligent artificial like this. Okay. Now I am telling something about how to translate one language to another language by using this Google Doc. I am going to remove all this text. Okay, remove. Now I am going to start this. For example, I switch something. How are you all? What do you mean? Okay, I am translate this. Select this. Go to tools. Translate. Choose language. Drag down. Select that. Click on translate. Okay. Okay, look like this. Just we need to pronounce this and translate the right way. It will translate the language. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. I hope you can enjoy and try it once.